What's up, guys? It's Ricardo here, and today I'm playing White Noise Online with my friend Jax and my friend Marcus. Yeah, Mucus. We call him Mucus, but his name is Marcus. Alright, guys, let's get this started. Yeah, I know. Oh, and also it's Marcus' first time playing this, so yeah. Hang on, let me turn off the light, because turning off the light makes it more scary. Yeah. My name is Johnny Bravo. He looks... How come I'm so tall? Like, from all the other people, I look so tall. Alright. Yeah, freaking Jax seems to always be... nothing. Oh, yeah. Oh, God, a girl on a... Wait, what, Jax? You just said a girl on a period? Wait, guys, let me, hang on. I forgot to put the voice on both. Alright, there you go. He's like, retard.
You know what this wall looks like? It looks like the pants I wear in the adult diapers.
Wait, guys, wait. I gotta turn up my TV. Alright.
Hurry up. Look at Ricky's old and having this technical problems. Oh, you scared me there. Yo! Oh, by the way, you guys, I'm using my golden controller, so I'm not going to be doing very good because the controls are different.
Oh, and, Marcus, to run, you have to press, LT. Oh, God, it's the green thing. He said green penis. Oh! Don't look at it, no!
What is it?
Don't look at it.
Did you like it?
Oh, God.
What does it do?
It's basically where that thing spawns at. It's where the creature spawns at. Yeah, basically if you're around the...
You can do that way, Peter, you will go.
No, stick together.
You can go that way because of this person.
No. My first time... Dude, the first... Well, actually, no, because Corey made me go for like, alone for the first time. He ditched me. I was like, you mother...
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, staying in the front is the worst idea, but staying in the back is...
Is that why you make me stand in front all the fucking time, you dick?
Yeah, but staying in the back is also a bad idea, because if he's behind you, he's like literally right there. Like, it sucks. Cause me...
Why am I the one in front? Ricky, you go.
Fine then, God. Alright. I'm a little to the left, alright? I'm a little to the left. May the power of Jesus Christ compel... Okay, never mind.
The power of Jesus Christ compels you.
If I see
Why
that...
don't we just jump out this window and leave?
If I see that thing, I'm just gonna yell out, May the power of Jesus Christ compel you!
Ricky, do you remember that one time yesterday?
Alright, guys, it might take a while. Like, it's probably a long video. So, sorry if it's, long video.
Wait, are we supposed to be looking for cake?
Yeah.
Cake?
Sit.
I could have sworn you said cake.
Follow the blood.
Hey guys, let's follow this future. Every time I go in here, he always spawns in no matter what, even if we don't even have one paper. He always spawns.
You told me that.
So, Marcus, it's...
Oh, Ricky!
What?
Oh, God, green penis.
Oh, hello there, sir.
There's green penis.
No. Why do you call it... green penis, anyways?
Because it sticks up like a penis. It looks like
Just,
Simple explanation.
I hear the tape recorder. Alright. One normal? I'm thinking maybe like 2. Maybe at 2.
You guys know the person that's making the tape recorders is actually the picture.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought it was like,
Right.
what, do you hear him?
Yeah, he's screaming. Like,
He's like, no.
if you walk towards the creature and stare at it for a long time, the creature starts screaming on top of the wall. You're like, oh, little bitch.
Dude, I'm recording. Try it. Hey, Marcus. I mean, not Marcus. Jackson. I'm recording here, so try not to, like, cuss as much.
I'll try not to be loud because also I'm not supposed to be loud right now. Oh, okay. This is the right kid.
May the power of Jesus Christ compel you! Oh! Oh!
God, that's extremely fast and
Shit! He's still right there! Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh, God.
Hey, let's see right with you guys.
No,
who's running away from it? Oh God, it's still there.
don't look back at it. Because the more you look at it, the more chances you're gonna die. And then when you die, you spawn in as a ghost.
You gotta keep an eye on it, make sure it's not like. Oh god!
Oh God, don't scare me like that.
Look, he's right there! He's right in front of us though. He's right past us here.
I know, I saw it there.
He was right next to the green pigeon.
I saw that.
Oh, God, dude. This is so scary.
It seems like he's Ricky, do you remember when we only saw him like once in the beginning and then like half the entire game we only saw him when we got 5 takeovers?
Yeah, that was weird, dude. Oh, my God.
Like, we only saw him when we got 5 takeovers. Oh god.
Oh! Oh!
Let's just hide in the boxes.
We can't hide in the boxes.
Yeah, just go to Madagascar. He's Madagascar.
Yeah, let's get off this. Oh, he moved. He's right there for me. He's right there.
Sure, where?
He's right over there. Where my flashlight's at.
Oh god!
Okay. This guy's like trash. Oh, yeah.
I don't like this. Stop. I don't like it.
Don't
Guys, look.
don't quit.
Guys, look.
God. Oh God, the
Apparently, he jumped on the wall and did a backflip on the bed.
No, dude, he sneezed. He sneezed. He sneezed. Nope, I already looked. He's not there.
I'm just gonna do 1080. 1120. 1080.
Was it?
Oh god, yep, I knew it.
So. May the power of Jesus be with you. Ah! Oh, it's the green thing too.
Now that I think about it, it looks like a medium
He's in the same.
looks like fur, but shaped like a ball. But
If I stare at it long enough,
Are you using the...
somehow
Clean this again?
why are you running on?
May the power of Jesus Christ compel you.
Guys, we gotta get Splinty to.
Where's this tape recorder at?
Dude, that is scary.
Guys, I think. Anybody else think that guy's
Yeah, I see that too.
I believe in one picture you can see the creature. I'm afraid it's looking for right now.
Marcus, whatever you do, try to like look at the walls or the floor. Follow the.
Oh my god, I have to. Damn it.
Yeah, because me and Jax made this thing where you step on the blood, then you automatically have AIDS. I don't know. We were so scared that we just started making up stuff. Whoa, 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 whoa! Wait a minute. I heard whispering. I'm hearing whispering.
I heard you.
It's like.
I see it.
You should let us grab it. Because I think because remember the person who grabs it the most, he's the one who
I
go.
just don't realize, you guys, we've only had one tape recorder and seen it like 5 times.
Well, it's not normal. Imagine Nightmare. Like as soon as you spawn in, he's like right there.
I know. That would be such a game. Like there's a functional and everything.
Hang on, Nadia. I'm playing White Noise.
It's right there. Oh my god.
No, don't leave. What's wrong with you, dude? Don't leave.
You guys, do you see me looking up?
No, I just see you just like standing there.
Oh god, you guys, my flashlight.
Your flashlight died.
Yep.
Yeah,
Like, it's basically that, like,
my flashlight died.
yeah, if you wait like a couple minutes, it'll get back on.
Ooh, a tape recorder. Is that okay? Never mind. Wait, yeah, it is.
I'm sure like press A to do that. Alright, back on you guys.
Mine never dies. I don't know why. I think it's. I don't know. Like mine never dies.
Alright, don't look to our left. It's right there.
Well, there's a bunch of boxes down there. Yeah, you guys are here.
I'm afraid to look behind me. He's like, "Bleh." I came in like a zombie.
Like, if they don't want to eat food, I'm gonna just be like, eat it like a zombie, bitch.
Hang on, Nadia. Oh god, it's 4. Oh god.
Last time we lost like 5.
I know. Do you hear the music?
Oh, we're on that church map. I gave up because he kept spawning me like right into it. Let's go this way, guys.
Wait, how do you
I think you have to get all the shit first. Either you have to get to the exit like Slender, or you just win. I think the music stops after you get 8 tick recorders, and then you have to like re-roam around for a couple minutes, and then you go to the win. Oh my god, it's right there, guys. Oh god, he just disappeared! I just... Where did Ricky go? Ah! Oh my god. Let's go this way. It's dark. Let's turn off our flashlights before we get it.
Oh, you're funny. Oh, may the power of Jesus Christ compel you, you demon! Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting that green thing, but no. Oh, God. Oh, Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, my heart is beating so fast. I feel like I'm running. And I never run. Don't go in there. Well, yeah, when you're not thinking about it. Okay, wait. Everyone turn around in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're good. Alright, we're good. Alright. May the power of Jesus Christ... Jax, what are you doing? Don't... Hey, come back here. You're gonna die. Alright, peace out. Jax. He's still there, dude. Get out of here. Run, 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 run. What? Dude, it's gonna be a great video. Like, people never heard me scream before.
Except the only problem is Marcus is disconnected.
May the power of Jesus compare you, you demon from hell! Oh, oh my god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I hear him breathing. I hear him. Oh. Okay, try not to run as fast, cause I.
This game is fucking scary. I can't imagine this.
It's actually pretty fun. It's not even that scary.
Screaming your head off.
Well, no, just because it's so fun. Like, it's not scary like this. Because if I had a gun, I'd be shooting that fool. I'd be like, yeah, yeah. I'd be like, I don't get it. It's kind of like, why does it have to be so dark in here?
Oh my god, Ricky knows what's Dude, we have to go in that direction.
Why? Why?
There's no other place to go. Look behind us. God, I can hear him. Looks like he's looking closer to the toilet.
So that way. Where'd you go, Jax? Turn around. Where'd you? Where? Oh.
I went to the left.
Oh, alright. Oh. Okay. Oh, God. I never expected him to just spawn right there. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I'm crying. I just heard him growl. Oh, God, don't even mention it. I just want to end this game already, dude. Well, not right now. I want to do it to where I die. Because I want to show YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, etc., like, what's up. Like, for real. I don't have any Vine. I gotta start Vine. But I don't do anything funny, though. So. Like, I'll probably go outside and do stupid shit, but other than that, not really, no. You know what I'm thinking? The guy with the skeleton suit, or the skeleton outfit? Oh, Jesus, you hear that growl? God. It's not even there for me. I think that. Sorry guys, it's taking so long. I'm just making, I'm trying to make this video lasting because usually me and my friend Jax would exit by now. But, that's, especially this map, because I hate it when it's like this. I'd rather be out in the open. Oh, shit! Fuck! Oh! Oh, God. 20 minutes long. How come it's have 0 screams? I had 1 scream and you had 3. Dude, he just popped up out of nowhere. I was like, oh! Yeah, he's not even there. Oh yeah, we did. Shut up. Dude, that's like a really good... Oh my god, look at that. It's like a really sketchy boot. That's awesome. I'm gonna end the video soon. That was scary at the end. I didn't expect that, dude. I just turned around for no reason. I was like, what the hell is going on? And he's right there. And I don't know. I usually don't scream like that. That's how long we were doing it for? No. Alright guys, this game is called White Noise. It's $1 on Xbox. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. And yeah, peace out.